Hello everyone, we are back. Yeah, sorry for missing one
We're
week.
back. Mas
Yeah, we
dalawa lang
are
tayo,
back.
we're back.
Kahit dalawa lang. So for the episode 2 of season 4, it's just the two of us. Today I'm Brian. I'm hosting the show today on behalf of Kiko, which we would like to congratulate nga pala. Kiko,
Yes. Best
best
wishes.
wishes.
Best
Yes, and
wishes.
then so I'm joined by Vic, of course, familiar
Hello.
face. Ayan. So we will talk about a few interesting things, but before we go there, first of all, we would still like to promote our promo with Ibarra watches. So guys,
Yep.
if you still want that chance to
Maganda yung
win
watch, guys. Maganda yung watch.
yeah, they're
Yep.
really good. They're really fashionable Ibarra Trofeo Green Watch. Just subscribe to the Quiver podcast on YouTube and then follow Ibarra on Instagram, even if they already met the number. It doesn't matter. Every follower counts. So maganda yung collections nila actually. It's not just the Trofeo Green, but
Oo,
especially
lahat,
the
lahat
Trofeo
naman,
Green.
lahat naman.
Yeah, so parang just check out their watches. And of course, when you buy watches from them, if in case you don't get to win the watch, we'll raffle off. It would still help LaSalle Sports because part of the
Yes.
proceeds will go to the DLSAA funds for student athlete scholarship. Malaking bagay yan
Yep.
for recruitment and
Yes.
everything. So
Yep.
yeah, support of course Ibarra also made by our friends, War Lasallians from kinder, I think. So, alam yun, grassroots yan. So, support
Solid,
Lasalle
solid yan.
Industries, guys.
Diretso
Ayun.
talaga.
So,
Diretso, Lasal. Parang ganun.
totoo. So, now we first check out kasi nag-start na yung UAP but the high school events. So, there are two notable events in high school that have already started. So,
Yep.
una, yung basketball, of course. I mean, when people talk about UAP, it's basketball na una nilang ma-associate. So, the juniors action kicked off. Ito na yung senior high school. Tama ba, Vic, if I'm
Yeah,
not
lahat
mistaken?
na. I think kasi
Lahat,
what they
inclusive. Oo.
pag sinabing boys basketball, that's from buong high school na yan. Grade
Unlike yung
7
junior
to
high
grade
school lang
12,
na
parang ganun.
division. Oo.
Yung
So,
isa kasi, yung isa, ka, kasi right now, medyo naging dalawang ano siya, naging dalawang ano, pati division siya. So, sounds
mm-mm.
confusing kasi nung time namin, pag sinabing it's just juniors basketball, it's seniors and juniors. Yung
Mm-mm.
juniors, yun yung lahat na, no? From first year
Oo.
high school to fourth year high school. Right
Mm.
now, pag sinabing ano juniors na pagka sinabing juniors basketball, yun na yung under 16, yung kakatapos lang last
Mm-mm.
year din
Which
kasabay ng
congratulations to
seniors
UE
ano division.
for
Yep,
winning that.
yep.
Yan.
Yeah.
So, now
So,
it's the entire grade 7 to
yes,
grade 12.
boys basketball na, so lahat na yan, lahat na ng from grade 7 to grade 12.
Yeah, this is what we know of na juniors. If ever you're an old listener, tapos old follower of the UAP na, alam mo yun, getting lost in the semantics. So, grade 7 to grade 12 ang definition natin ng boys basketball.
Yep.
So, the results are as follows. Nanalo FEU Diliman against the defending champions, Adamson, 75-71. And then NU, a favorite to win as well. They won over UST.
Collins ako eh.
Yeah, 71-60. Ayan, marami nang nakaabang kay Collins. Where will
Collins.
Collins go? Let's see, let's see. Uh, malay na to, stay naman siya sa NU. Expectation, di ba? And then UE also, I mean,
Malay natin. Yan yung tanong dyan eh. Malay natin. Yan yung magandang ano
fresh
dyan.
from securing the junior high school championship, yeah, the boys team started off well, beating Ateneo 88-80. Always a good day.
Any team that
Yes,
any
beaten.
team that beats Ateneo, magandang balita yan.
Totoo. And also, exacting a bit of revenge is Lasal, Zobel, beating Claret. Ay, joke lang, UP pala. Kala ko, Claret.
Ano yan eh.
UP,
Maskarang
UP.
ano yan eh. Maskarang UP High School din yung Claret.
Yeah, we will get to that later.
Yes,
So, yeah,
yes, yes.
UPIS, they beat UPIS 79-77. So, medyo nakabawi naman tayo sa mga taga-UP. In case may nanonood na
Oh,
from
pero
UP.
ngayon close game na, no? Kasi last year
Yeah,
ano yan eh.
tambak
I
yan.
mean, um I'll use the term diretsuhang segment agad. No? So, I mean,
Sige.
last year, medyo patubiping boys tong Pato UPIS. Parang
Yeah.
sad to say bonus stage yan pagka
And
nakakalaban
at
yung
least
UST.
they're trying to recruit now, which is good for
Yeah.
them. Para hindi
Ngayon,
naman sila
kaya
ma-accuse
kayo na,
na
2 points na lang kanina.
para di naman sila ma-accuse na kumukuha na lang sa juniors ng iba. But
Yep.
anyway, that's good for Isabel because they started off the season with a win. It's always good to start the season off with a win. Speaking of Isabel starting the season off with a win, Isabel also beat Ateneo High School in in boys football.
Yep.
Ayan, 1-0. It was a good second half goal for the Isabel boys, getting off to a good start. Kagaya nila, nanalo din yung finalist from last season, UST beating guest team, Southridge, because yeah, if to the uninitiated, dito na pupunta yung topic namin.
Southridge, David
Banggitin muna natin
Robinson.
yung result. Ayan, sa Admirals. The
Yeah.
Admirals debut were spoiled by the Tigers who beat them 5-2. Yan actually yung
Yeah.
nagsimula nung football match day. And then it was Abel beating Ateneo 1-0. And then FEU gave UPIS, Claret pala, sorry. Babaliktad ko eh.
Dudulas
Babaliktad ko
tayo eh.
magkalapit lang
Dudulas
kasi.
tayo eh.
Kaya
Dudulas
nga eh,
tayo
ayan,
eh.
tinalo ng FEU Dilamanyang Claret 6-0. So medyo rude welcoming. Parang
Yeah.
welcome to the UAP for
Yes, yes,
Claret.
yes, yes.
Ayan, but of course, ayan, dito na papasok yung topic natin because unlike in the men's basketball, in the boys basketball, na 8 teams, and all UAP member schools have their teams. In the boys football division, there are now 6 teams, but only 4 are
Yung galing member
originally from the
schools.
UAP member schools, yes. And nakikita natin Claret School of Quezon City and Paref Southridge of
Kala ko
Muntinlupa.
Claret School of Diliman.
Ah, Hindi, baka mamaya makikatipunan na din sila eh. Parang, uy, baka may outpost kami sa Katipunan.
Kala ko Claret School of
Ano ba
Diliman
cheer
eh.
ng
Mali
Claret
pala,
ngayon?
mali.
Ano? Ano ba cheer ng Claret? Di ko pa naririnig eh. Parang gusto ko
Hindi ko rin
tuloy
alam, hindi ko rin
pumunta
alam,
ano.
hindi ko rin alam.
Baka,
Medyo
hindi naman
tricky
siguro,
yung moniker nila, Red Roosters.
sabi nga ng mga kaibigan natin
Red
sa media,
Roosters.
ano daw, Andox, naalala daw nila Andox. Ayan,
Oh,
inulam
Andox. Yeah,
tuloy ng
yung
FEU.
logo ng Andox. Yep. Oh,
Ayan,
yun yung
naulam tuloy sila ng
nababasa
FEU sa
natin.
simula. So, tignan natin sa adjustments nila. Come as they progress in their guest season campaign. So ayan, we will talk about this first. Guest teams in the UAP. Just to mention it, kasi syempre, it's groundbreaking for the league. It's the first
Oh,
time that they have guest teams na na hindi full offering. Kasi I think there were
yep.
guest teams before and that's how they introduced yung membership ng UE and Adamson, if
Yes.
I'm not
Yes.
mistaken. But di ko na rin maalala kasi di pa naman tayo pareho nung nag-guest sila. But I imagine that ano, hindi sa high school level eh, sa college level and may view ka to enter the league. Ito, I don't think Claret nor Southridge have the view to enter the league, but they are participating now in an event which is boys football. So, may pros and cons to eh. I mean, pros for the league is, syempre, di ba? Uh, for us, kasi nakita natin yung boys football, 4 na teams lang yan eh. Which is Lasal, Zobel, Ateneo High, UST, and FEU din naman.
FE.
And then, parang bitin yung season kasi 6 games lang.
Oo,
Paano
sobra.
group stage ng Champions
Sobra.
League dati, di ba?
Oo.
Tapos
Oo.
finals ka na.
Group stage, tapos semis na kagad finals.
Oo. Finals
Parang
lang,
ganun
yan ang
lumalabas
semis eh. Tapos
Oo,
wala kang
tama,
battle
tama.
for third.
Tama pala, wala na semis.
Oo.
Yeah.
Walang battle for third. If I'm not mistaken, Final Four na this season. So that in itself makes it interesting. But before that, parang ito nga, Claret and Southridge, as we mentioned, they don't really have an explicit uh, interest in entering the league as a whole. Pero they are interested in experimenting, fielding a team from their school to join the league. Actually, may dalawang schools pa. Di na lang natin in-name. Pero I think kung sumali pa yung dalawang schools, that would have been more interesting kasi 8 teams in a division,
Yep.
which is the spirit of the league. Yun yung sanay tayo in basketball and volleyball. That's mandatory. We see 8 teams all the time. But in other
Mm-hmm.
sports, actually, sa mga hindi masyado nakakasunod ng sports in the UAP, other events don't really have 8 teams eh. Minsan nga, 5 teams lang,
Dami
four
din. Oh.
teams,
Yeah,
6 teams.
dami.
May butas eh. So parang, okay, so now I'll go to this question. Vic, as someone who's followed the league for a long time already, wag na natin i-specify yung number of years, but people would know that.
Basta long lang.
Uh, Oo, long. Ano na yan? It defines
Kirk
itself.
Long. Parang Kirk Long.
Ayan. So, I would like to ask you, do you think having guest teams in events would catch on?
Oo, kasi ano eh, ako talaga yung habol ko dyan sana 8 para at least maganda yung dami ng laro. Kasi there's no sense of putting up a ano pa to tournament tapos ilang games lang talaga yung ilalaro ninyo, di ba? So mas
Mm.
sa akin naman, ang point of view ko diyan is first ako sumabot ng 8, okay na. If you can put 8 teams in a ano pa to competition, di ba? Okay na yan, laban na yan. Yung ano pa to larga na yan siya.
Mm.
So kung pwede, but I think it's easier said than done kasi hindi ko rin alam ano yung magiging ano pa to mechanisms in place mo for that. Kasi for example, paano kung well, siguro pwedeng guest team sa umpisa tapos eventually maging ano sila regular member on that specific event kung yan yung expertise talaga nila for example. Kasi ang mga nag ano less than 8 teams lang naman for example, ilan ba? I think table tennis walang NU.
Mm.
Um
And football.
tawag ito women's football, 5 lang din sila, walang tatlo,
Mm.
'di ba? Sa akin okay lang talaga yung mga hindi nakakabuo ng 8 mag-accept ng ibang ano muna. Just to make it na 8 just to make it an 8 team event para lang mas maganda yung number of games talaga. Hindi ka parang hindi hindi bitin, hindi rin sobra. Parang ano lang talaga siya, sakto lang talaga siya.
Mm. Yeah. On a similar principle, I think kung hindi naman ma-meet yung 8, let's say, hindi enough yung interested applicants, to have an even number like 6 as we see in the boys football makes
Oo
sense
naman,
din,
oo
diba?
naman.
6 or 8, parang yun yung magic number. Kasi let's say, if we have 7, parang, I mean,
Meron
it
kang
can
buy.
work. Oh, may
Hindi,
buy ka,
ano
but it
yan,
can work.
ano yan, palaging, basta pag add numbered teams ka naman,
Mm.
well, hindi most likely, talagang lagi may nakabay
Meron talaga.
sa
Oo.
match day. Mm-mm.
Mm. For example, in the men's football, diba, it's 7, and in women's football, it's 5. So what happens is there's always a team na
Yep,
nakabay in a particular round. And I think
yep.
also in other sports na ganun yung setup. I think tennis, women's tennis yata, there are only 5, if I'm not mistaken, or ganun. At the time, 5, maybe 6 now if Adamson ba rejoined. I could confirm just yet. Pero ayun, we see that from time to time. Of course, basketball, volleyball, cannot relate here kasi wala
Kasi
eh.
ano yan sila eh, I
Required
think it's
sila to
part,
have 8 teams.
yun, kasi it's part na,
Parang
ano
sa
yan sila,
Olympics yan eh. Sa
tawag dito
Olympics,
mandatory
aquatics
yan
and
eh.
parang sa Olympics, aquatics and athletics yung kailangan per posting meron. Sa UAP naman, yung members who's required na laging may team sa basketball and volleyball. So
Yep.
hindi nila ramdam to. So sa akin, yeah, I like this to catch on. And kung gusto nila sa high school muna, okay
Oo,
lang din.
sa
Kasi
akin din.
syempre, 'di ba? Ang tricky din ng college kasi I mean, to the uninitiated as well, marami ring collegiate leagues across the Philippines. It's not just
Yep.
UAP and NCAA. Meron kang NAASCU, meron pa yung mga
Yung isa,
regional leagues. Oo,
mm,
exactly, marami yan. And meron ibang leagues na, kunwari, kasali ng isang school dun sa isang league dahil nga hindi
si
sila
Yukal,
ganun.
yun, si
So,
Yukal, di ba?
UCAL, may sumasali pa, parang nagiging dalawa yung membership nila na leagues kasi nga, parang yung mga tournaments nila, if I'm not mistaken, pocket tournaments lang din kasi hindi sila nagtatagal ng 2 months, parang I think 1 month or
Yep.
something, tapos na. So they can join another league. Maraming ganyan. For example, I'm from Parañaque, so I'm familiar Olivares. Ganyan. I think
Ayun, tama.
Olivares joining dalawa ata eh. Tapos Parañaque lang yan. Meron pang Olivares, Cavite, etc. So, in college, it is tricky. But in high school, aside from yung mga per city siguro na mini leagues or yung mga, for example, sa Manila, having been exposed to pag yung mga government schools, meron yung mga ano district meet, 'di ba? Mga division
Yes,
meet,
ano
meron
yan
yun.
sila, district
So,
meet, tapos city meet, yan,
mm,
ano yan,
yeah,
yan
pero
yung ano, yan yung path of progression.
yung mga private schools, ano wala talagang clear tier eh. Parang tingin ko acceptable na lang sa atin growing up na pag alam mong UAAP juniors team to or NCAA juniors team, angat na yan kasi recruitment. Parang dun
Yep,
na magnet na yung recruitment. Pero let's say yung ibang private schools, like for example, Claret and Southridge, parang hindi sila member eh. Or kahit yung formerly known as Yonglian, 'di ba? Yung mga schools doon like Chiangkai,
yep,
Xavier. They have their own league. Parang isa rin yun sa angat sa basketball and volleyball back in the day. Pero ngayon parang ang vague na once you go down the UAP and NCAA classification sa high school. So parang maganda nakita natin ito sa football, but I think we can also see it in other sports like boys baseball, maybe we can even have girls softball eventually, depends sa ano. I think wala pa kasing event na yun ngayon, so mahirap magsalata. But yun, I like this to catch on high school level most especially kasi it parang makes parang masusubukan din yung schools like Claret and Southridge. Parang masusubukan yung reputation ng UAP or NCAA for that matter. Kung talaga bang angat sila or kung if bibigyan mo ng avenue yung Claret and Southridge and other schools to na willing mag-apply for a high school event participation na sumabay sa UAP, una makatulong yun sa enrollment nila. So that's good. Pangalawa, yung ano din masusubukan din nila sarili nila sa sport. So example, program mo reputable outside the UAP. Okay itong program na to, pero hindi ka nasusubukan eh. So, malalaman if kaya mo ba sumabay. For example, yung Claret, nalaman nila in their first game against si FEU de Laman na at least may golf na nag-exist. Pero, siguro, if they get an opportunity to compete regularly in the UAP level with this FU team, either makakasabay sila agad or at least, 'di ba, mag-bridge yung gap. And I think
mm-hmm.
that's what we want to see sa pag more games din. Parang yung FEU, di lang din sila limited sa kung anong kaya ng UST, anong kaya ng Sabel, anong kaya ng Ateneo. May expose din sila sa different styles, which I think can only help. Diba, advocate naman tayo dyan eh. The more
Yep,
games you get, the more
oo,
quality naman it will show. Kasi I think yun yung kulang sa what we see now. And even let's say meron yung Rifa set up. I think
yeah,
it's
oo,
the
si
best
Rifa,
information
sayang
pa
din yan
din.
si Rifa, sayang din yan.
Ang problem yata with Rifa and having mother leagues in that manner is syempre may priorities yung coaches and yung players. Parang ay
Yeah,
ito Rifa lang to. So syempre either naka-experiment yung formation mo or players mo hindi yung full squad mo. Kasi nga ang priority mo yung mother league mo. And I think we see that
yep.
in basketball as well, diba? I mean, in volleyball. It's general concept. So, yun yung gusto kong mag-catch on. But of course, we acknowledge that there are limits. So, Vic, what do you think are the main factors that hamper this trend? Baka di pa siya
Eh,
implemented well into the high school setup at least.
hindi siguro sa akin, bago ako magpunta doon, i-share ko muna siguro no sa
Sige.
si Safi sa Cebu.
Mhm.
Mas marami ang high school, mas marami ang team sa boys division compared to the seniors na division. Although yung mga nasa seniors division, they have their own team sa boys, meron pa doon mga additional like si
So, it's
Ateneo de Cebu, 'di
uh,
ba? Si Sacred Heart
para
doon naglalaro.
wala naman silang college equivalent.
Yes, so parang I think may ganong exceptions, and at the same time there are still other schools, nakalimutan ko lang kung sino. So yun siya, yun yung So may template naman na, meron naman ng tawag dito, meron ng pinagagayahan. So pwede natin tignan if it can be also paano replicated na hindi lang tayo I mean yung tipong pwede naman natin talagang tignan na it really exists yung ganyang setup. So why not look at it? So I think for the point na limit, siguro it's a matter of invitation. And I think yun lang naman yan eh kasi hindi naman mahirap din naman yung nagpipresenta ka. Alam mo yun,
Mm.
parang dapat merong mauna yung initiative ng league itself to really push and invite other teams. 'Di ba?
Totoo. Oo, kasi siyempre para
Kasi
kang
I
ano
think
yun, eh, parang you
it
don't
starts from
want to
there. Eh.
invite yourself to the party.
Kasi hindi rin
So,
siya
this is
maganda eh.
oo.
Parang pinipilit mo yung sarili mo, uy, baka pwede naman, baka naman pwede kami dyan. Alam mo yun, parang
Mm.
nakakailang din eh, pagka, if
Oo.
you're like that. So, sa akin, it's important first really to have the league send an invite,
Mm.
'di ba? So, it's just a matter of the league really sending an invite. And I
And
think siguro factor din naman dyan yung cost. So, kung factor mo yung cost, edi initially mag-guest ka but at the same time habang umaano ka tumatagal ka kailangan mong bigyan ng ah kumbaga kailangan mong bigyan ng deadline na for example pag 3 years na kayo dito nag-enjoy kayo I mean you have to pay a
oo nga. Oo.
certain
Fee
entry
or
fee parang ganun.
oo. Kasi siyempre it
Yeah.
will yun nga, like what we mentioned, exposure. May benefits din naman kasi once tutunugan ng mga tao yung school mo eh. Parang it
Mm-mm.
attracts a lot of attention and interest to your school. Sabi nga nila, 'di ba? I mean, many schools clamor na pag maganda yung results mo sa sporting league mo, may correlation ng enrollees mo yan eh.
Yes,
Eh,
kasi mas
which,
nagiging popular ka eh.
oo. Lalo na pag nagcha-champion ka. So,
Yes.
parang ano yan, ano yan eh, soft power as we call it sa Paul sa parang may influence ka. Sabihin ng mga tao, "Oy, ito galing Lasal or galing Ateneo or galing FEU." So parang may sila, may nakukuha silang
Yep,
prestige because of
correct.
academic, sports, other fields pa, ganyan. So yun, sa akin, maganda yung sinabi mo about the league opening it up and we have to give credit to the people in charge of the boys football kasi I think the initiative also came from them eh. Kasi 'di ba? The league
Kasi
in
ang hirap
itself
talaga,
parang
apat lang, parang
afforded them the
medyo
opportunity.
mahirap talaga para ka ng Champions League, yung old format kasi may bago ng
That's
format
what I
ngayon
was
eh,
saying
yung
kanina. Tapos yung finals na agad.
di ba?
Tapos ang masaklap pa doon, kung sabihin mo na 6-0 mo yung season, tapos natalo ka sa finals, wala din.
Oo, di ba?
Kaya
Wala
nga,
din. Parang ano na, Detroit Lions lang yan. Parang Detroit Lions lang
tama,
yan kanina.
na commander sila.
Oo,
So,
nadali sila ng Cobra Commanders eh.
so yun yung I think as a broadening the competition, that's really good. And if maging successful itong uh, initiative sa boys football, see I really like it to be seen sa
Oh,
iba
may
pang
mga schools pa
events.
nga dyan na pwede idagdag eh.
Oo, kung tutuusin
Meron pa
actually.
dyan.
As a matter of
For those ano ba to, listeners natin na medyo
mm,
aware sa scene ng football. Ano pa yan?
mm,
From the, ang dami pang pwedeng ayain na pwede mag
mm.
guest teams. I think, feeling ko nga kaya umabot ng 8 yan. Eh.
Kaya talaga.
Kung
Kasi
tutuusin.
mm, mm. Had the ideals been made, I think.
Kung si ano nga lang eh, kung si why not for example, why not ano mo, sali mo sila sa Laguna, halimbawa, for example, di
Oo,
ba? O kaya
yun
si
nga. Oo.
USLS na integrated school sa Bacolod, sali mo din diyan.
Oo,
Why not?
total.
Ilang ano lang naman
Nag
sila dito eh. Hmm.
ilang buwan lang. Pero yun nga,
Oo.
marami rin sigurong maraming factors that can
Oo
basta
naman.
maganda, ang
We're just
pinakamagandang
throwing it
factor
out
is
there.
ang pinakamagandang factor lang diyan is at least meron na bukas na yung pinto. Kasi I
Yes.
think that's the problem with other events pa so far. Eh. Sarado pa or hindi alam kasi nga wala namang intent, walang announcement.
Yep.
So, okay. So, I'm just wondering now, since, yun nga, if maging successful tong initiative na to, where else can it happen? Like what I mentioned kanina, baseball, I'd like it to see. Kasi, sino lang ba may baseball team sa UAP? Parang, I think, nagkataon, tatlo na lang ata sila, Zobel, UST, and Ateneo.
Yes.
If I remember, the last time they played it. Kasi I don't think it has returned. or if it has, parang just so recently lang after the pandemic. So
Yep.
isipin mo to, tatlo lang na teams nandun. So there's really an opportunity to invite more interested schools in the high school
Correct.
level. Yeah, and Southridge,
Correct.
alam ko they also have a good baseball scene there in the South.
Yep. Why
So,
not? Diba?
pwede sila. And then, pwede rin yung mga IS, if, I mean, meron silang competent programs and they find an interest. Diba? Parang they can also be called upon if they are interested. Dami dyan. Or mga schools pa in the provinces na hindi man ganun kalaya. For example, a school in Laguna or Batangas or Rizal,
Yep.
Bulacan. May mga ganyan. I mean, it's a sport na ano eh, na actually mas kilala in the provinces. So baka mas malakas pa yung teams nila than the
Oo.
UAP
Oo. Correct.
teams.
Correct.
Diba?
Correct. Correct.
Kaya, yun, doon ko siya nakikita. And then where else in high school? Parang wala naman masyado kasi I think limited lang din yung high school events eh. I mean, hindi siya as broad as the collegiate
Yep.
events, 'di ba? For example, I don't think may ano bang sport yung unique no? Parang may boys tennis ba? Parang wala nga rin eh.
Parang wala.
If I,
Parang wala.
'Di ba? So, ayan. So, at least in the high school level, ang nakikita kong sport na sikat, baseball, volleyball, of basketball, and football. I was meant to say basketball muna, pero nauna na nasabing baseball. Nag-apply naman yung statement na yan.
Mm.
So, ayan. And then maybe the minor events like chess, taekwondo, ay hindi man minor. The other events like chess, taekwondo, judo, mga, meron din siya, silang teams dyan. And other sports actually, kung hindi, ito opportunity din siya for UAP in the high school level to introduce other sports in high school na baka mas, kung naalala ko kasi sinabi ni ED Rebo na they like to see UAP as a grassroots tool kaya nila nilunsad tong initiative sa football. So maybe for sports like futsal, especially we're hosting, as I mean Philippines is hosting the Women's Futsal World Cup, diba? So maybe that's something that can happen there in the high school level, if not in the college. Then handball and other sports, pa sepak takraw, diba? We are silently fans of those sports. Mga ganyan. So, other events, yun nga, ano lang siguro, at the end of the day, it's about the league coming together and making
Yep.
sure that there's an avenue for guest teams. So we will keep an eye on this boys football
Yes.
tournament,
Kasi
not
maganda
because
yan.
it's not only because it's a sport close to our hearts, but also, syempre, di ba? We like to see how ano yung opinion ng mga tagaloob sa labas and ano yung opinion ng mga tagalabas joining the league.
Yes.
Kasi di ba?
Correct. Correct.
Uh, of course, it's something new. And that's what we always look forward to, something new. Ang tanong ko lang sa'yo, Vic, before we move on to a broader topic is, di naman to ligang labas na anymore.
Ah, hindi na. Hindi na. Legit
Kasi
na eh.
yung
Legit
EP
na,
na.
pre. Legit na. Nasa UP ka na eh. Legit na. Legit.
Ayan. Oo, di na to, wala nang issue. Baka mamaya may magsulat, uy, yung Zobel, kinakalaban yung Claret. Then UAP na to. Di
Uy,
na
yung
to,
ano, kalaban sa Outreach.
Anyway, before we move on to our next topic, we just like to thank our sponsors. First of all,
Yes.
Blue Fire LPG for
Yep.
your enterprisal needs when it comes to kitchen needs. Syempre, lalo na ngayon, January, babalik na ulit yung mga yung flow. Noong December, medyo maraming
Yep.
nag-leave, patay yung mga opisina,
Yes.
so yung mga canteens, matamlay. But now, it's back to full swing kasi syempre, balik na yung mga tao sa routine. So yan,
Yep.
if for your supplies, reach out to Blue Fire on social media. Yan. And also, thank you to another sponsor, Sabi Skin. Yan. So
Yes.
for your skincare needs, use Sabi Skin. Yan.
Yep.
So thank you guys for supporting the show. So now, since we talked about the UAP as a competition, we now wonder, uh, how about kung mahirap maghanap ng guest teams, is the UAP the be all and all of our sports teams, or should we parang clamor or push to have a stronger national competition? Kasi we've seen attempts over time Alam natin recently yung PCCL, it was there, the Philippine
So,
Collegiate
wala
Champions
na
League
eh.
sa basketball. And then we also see uni games. I mean, some sports seryoso yung uni games when it comes to parang alam na parang may dispute eh kasi 'di ba teams from Luzon, teams from Visayas, teams from Mindanao rarely meet. So sa uni games yung ano nila, parang
Nag-converge, parang ganun eh.
yun yung ano eh collegiate version ng palaro to some sports.
Ah, yes, yes,
And
yes. Correct,
'di
correct,
ba?
correct,
'Di
correct.
ba? So diyan nagkakasukatan. And then I think in the past week meron pang ibang competitions like yung ano bang mako-consider natin na ano precursor ng mga ganyang yung mga national competitions. I think in basketball
Nation.
meron, nakalimutan ko lang yung
Ano
name.
dati naman, ang sikat dati, nung time ko, may ang sikat dati si National Intercollegiate.
Yan. Yung Nika ba yan?
Merong
Tama
ganyang
ba?
tournament dati si
Mm.
National Intercollegiate.
Ayan. So, ayan yung mga initiatives before that have prospered to say the least but not really survived. Kasi right now, if you ask people about championships, pag nag-champion ka sa mother league mo, that's the success. That's the metric you're going to be measured at sa fans nyo, sa school nyo, sa league nyo. Parang for example, Mapua won the NCAA. What's next for them? Wala na. Yun yung pinnacle. Or let's say UP won in the men's basketball. Ano na next step nila? Wala na. So parang when people ask, who is the definitive Philippine number one?
Yup.
Ang masasagot natin, wala.
Tapos
Till
magagawa
let's
ng ranking si Pinoy Liga.
Tapos may mga magrereklamo, bakit di nyo pinansin yung sa Safi?
Oo, bakit
Kaya bakit
bakit
di
na
nyo
rank
pinansin?
10 lang ganun?
O kaya bakit
Diba?
number 9 pa tong Ateneo? Kala ka ba, ano?
Diba? Parang ganun eh.
Ayan, I mean, not to really bring down anyone in this. Parang ang kulang lang natin, which I wonder now is, having this, national system. I mean, how can we definitively say that, aside from how can we definitively say na a UAP team can beat an NCAA team, is that how mahirap eh kasi 'di ba iba ang style of play in different leagues. Let's say on paper maybe sino ba yung number 8 ngayon sa UAP? Pakisabi nga ulit.
Ateneo?
Ateneo. Oh, edi palaban mo sila sa Mapua. I think meron mga magde-debate dyan, sasabihin nila, Ateneo will win. Or sasabihin, hindi, Mapua will win. I mean, mahirap masabi, di ba? But for us, the only best way to have that answered is paglabanan mo or make those games happen. So have a system that makes sure na meron pang event after their mother leagues. Parang sa US NCAA, di ba, may conference sila, pero meron pa yung March Madness NCAA format.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah. Of course,
Ako actually, Brian,
we,
din naman yan,
mm,
I think that's my stand naman kahit sa
mm,
mga group chat natin eh. Di ba parang,
mm,
ako personally, if given the choice, mas ano ko pa rin na ang pinaka mo is the pa the national title yung pinnacle for me.
mm.
It's not the championship dapat on your pa to mother league, but unfortunately we don't have that mechanism. And
Ah,
worse, ako pinaka main comment ko pagdating sa atin sa ganyan is that most of the time yung mga nag-graduate ng players, which is normally your key players, they don't play in the the PCL anymore kasi they're now on
oo.
the pro league. So
Lalo
parang
na NCAA schools
wala
kasi 'di
ding
ba?
kwenta ba,
NCAA schools eligible na agad sa pros. Ay maglaro yung player sa PBA to be specific kasi I
'di
think
ba?
MPPL mas fluid siya. But PBA at the time na may PCCL pa, yung mga NCAA, yung best seniors ng NCAA players na na-draft na, wala na sila sa school. As in, technically, they just really played out their residency. Nakagraduate na yung iba sa kanila or basta, di na sila mag-fulfill ng studies na lang. Whatever the case may be. Ayun, so, mangyayari, yung competition, watered down kasi, ano na siya, it's the preseason before
Oy,
preseason.
oh, hindi pati hindi na yan yung mo yung tunay mo na ba to lineup eh,
So they could
'di
have,
ba?
parang, at saka parang ano rin siya, no? Medyo political problem in the sports aspect kasi kung tutuusin, hindi naman obliged kasi yung schools mag-field ng strong team sa PCCL. Kasi nga, yun, baka in in practice, talagang yung mother league yung priority, di ba? As in, wala kasi pang institutionalized prestige yung mga initiatives like PCCL. Na pag nag-champion ka sa PCCL, ikaw yung champion ng Pilipinas. Ganyang
Yep.
thing. Parang, ang nangyari, even when I recall this 2012 incident na nanalo yung Ateneo over UST sa UAP, pero nanalo yung UST sa PCCL over Ateneo. Yung mga taga-UST na kaibigan ko sinasabi, walang kwenta yung UAP championship nyo kasi panalo naman kami champion ng Pilipinas. Alam ko may meme na yun eh, yung UAAP ginawang Metro Manila lang. Tapos yung buong
Yep.
Pilipinas, yung UST color, tapos Ateneo yung blue na Metro
Yes.
Manila lang. Pero kasi kung
Correct, correct.
tatanungin mo yung mga tao, at that time, 5 feet kasi ng Ateneo yun eh. So, syempre, may ascendancy sila. But at the same time, kung tatanungin mo din yung neutrals, mas naging matimbang yung UAP Championship than the PCCL Championship. No disrespect to UST. I mean, ako, I'm
Oh,
on
kasi
factory
yun yung
side with
talagang
UST.
ano eh. I think kasi yun nga eh, talagang nagkakaproblema dahil pagdating ng PCCL, nagiging ano siya, watered down ano eh. Nagiging ano, watered down na ano version siya, parang gano'n.
Hmm. So, hindi siya yung tinitingnan na holy grail.
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna ask you, like, anong efforts na pwedeng gawin kung may irerekindle na lang yung PCCL or if Pinoy Liga will have a really
Challenging.
strong initiatives.
Medyo challenging siya.
Kasi, di ba, parang mahirap na ngayon eh, if let's say, you ask San Beda to build a program. To build a program for an upcoming season. Ano ba ang kahabulin nila? Ano ba ang holy grail nila? 'Di ba it's always been NCAA. Same for Lasal. Like kung mag-champion ka, it's always been the UAP. So parang paano ma-achieve agad ng newly conceived tournament na prestigious siya?
Scheduling.
Oo.
Scheduling
Yan.
yung una.
Pwede.
Kasi iba schedule ng NCAA, iba schedule ng UAAP.
Oo.
Tapos, I mean, ito, pagka start na kagad nung like ngayon, I think February, mag-start na yung Pinoy Liga.
Oo nga.
Ga-
Oo.
Ganon siya kabilis.
Mm.
So, yun. So,
Parang
parang sa
year-round
akin,
na no?
I think, sa akin, ang una-una muna is scheduling muna.
Mm.
Kumbaga, they need
So,
to find kumbaga, itong period lang na to, dapat lahat ng collegiate league sa buong bansa.
okay.
Dapat pare-pares na yan sila.
Oo. Totoo.
Para pagdating mo, let's say, dapat, pagdating ng kumbaga, kung may March Madness sa atin, December something.
Pwede. Oo, parang
Feeling ko dapat
Paskuhan.
ganun eh. O,
Paspok sa ano ng
Paskuhan.
Paskuhan.
O,
Parang
big,
ganyan.
big bang. Big bang sa,
Sa
big bang sa
Alabang.
Alabang.
Payanig sa Pasig.
Payanig sa Pasig. Di ba? O, ganun. Kailangan ng timing dyan. Di ba? Yun yung
Kaya, siguro ang pinaka
scheduling talaga.
napapansin ko,
I think yun ang
yeah.
start dapat. Scheduling.
I'm gonna agree, but I will also add another factor para mag-support sa argument mo. I think it's the lack of an encompassing governing body sa collegiate sports. Eh.
Correct.
Kasi
Correct.
'di ba,
Isa pa
parang
din
yun
yan.
nga, parang sino magsaset ng scheduling? I don't think the different leagues will force themselves to the interest of another unless ano 'di ba, a higher being, a higher body decides na kunwari PSC or CHED or whoever maybe or maybe an ad hoc body involving those stakeholders. Pwede nila sabihin na, ito dapat July, start kayo lahat. Kasi I think I remember no D-League, 'di ba, Lasal Eco Oil played against CEU and St. Clair. I think St. Clair ata yung isang team na kalalaro lang ng championship game nila dun sa league nila. Before D-League, something like
Yep.
that. So parang ang complicated nun, 'di ba? Kasi syempre ang priority ng St. Clair nun is their mother league compared sa D-League, 'di ba? I
Tama.
mean, kahit
Tama.
sabihin mong
Tama.
Lasal yung kalaban nila, syempre they have to take matters where it matters most. I mean, they have to prioritize what matters most. So, yun nga, I think yung governing body to supplement the scheduling.
Yeah.
But ang iniisip ko, aside from the governing body, which of course is an entirely different thing and an entirely different episode if you want to tackle that. Ang gusto ko lang din isipin is, what if we have the uh, cup style? tingin mo will that catch on? Yung
Parang
tipong
mala no NBA Cup, parang ganun.
oh, or
Kaso ang hirap
for
nun,
those in the basketball scene, parang NBA Cup. Pero syempre for those in the football scene,
Pero hindi,
parang
ang
FA
tanong
Cup.
dun, kailan mo siya iano? I mean,
Yan nga
it's
din, oo.
still, is it still, ano eh, I think talaga ang unang kailangang ayusin mo dyan, scheduling. Yun yung
Mhm.
unang-una dyan. Once you
Although,
fix the scheduling, I think everything else will
ang
follow.
naisip ko lang sa cup schedule so far is, sige, limit mo muna sa UAP NCAA. Tapos 18 teams yan, 'di ba? E di ibay mo na agad yung ano, ibay mo na agad yung first yung top 10 teams. Top 10. Basta mag-buy ka. Hindi ko alam kung paano ma-structure yung buy. And then, paglaruin mo lang muna yung mga teams na naka-rank base kung saan sila finish last season. And then, knockout lang para hindi complicated. Kasi pag group stage, syempre marami masyadong games. Then maybe you can start there para siyang magiging UAAP NCAA Carabao Cup. Ganyan. I mean, for
Yan,
those in the
yan, yan.
football scene. Kasi League Cup yun. Kaya siya binuong League Cup kasi it's just members of a certain group of leagues. Ayan, so maybe we can say at least UAP and NCAA in that argument sake lang. Kasi masyadong complex na if we involve the others as much as we would love
Dami
to.
talaga. Hindi, ano yan, medyo
Mm,
it's a tall task,
mm.
definitely.
So yun lang din yung napaisip ako bigla as in recent ano lang bumungad lang siya sa isip ko just now yung tipong we can have that in betweens pero yun scheduling will be a big factor pero I think if those at saka cooperation between the leagues yun din yun that's
Oo.
the
Ano
political
nga
will.
talaga, kaya
Mm.
nga tama ka. I have to agree with you na dapat meron pang superior being. Is it
Kasi
SBP? Di ko rin alam eh.
hindi. Oo.
If this falls under SBP's watch, di ko
Oo.
rin alam.
Kailangan talaga ma-define.
Mm-mm.
Kasi 'di ba? I don't really think na magkakaroon ng sapilit. Hindi man I think it's not pwede naman natin sabihin na UAP and NCAA officials, they don't necessarily hate each other. It's just that it's complicated to align the calendars just to suit the kunwari, yung UAP, you don't expect them to totally overhaul their calendar just to align with NCAA and vice versa, diba? You don't also expect NCAA.
Hindi, kaya nga
Nagka-problema na nga
dapat may
sila sa
mag-uutos
nagka,
talaga.
oo, nagka-problema na nga sila sa booking ng Araneta, diba? Buti na lang, hindi na game 3
Bump
yung
up eh.
isa.
Bump up. Bump up yung isa. Buti na
Actually,
lang, walang game
looking
3
back,
si NCAA. Kundi,
actually,
yari.
oo, ayun na nga eh. Pero parang dapat pala, yun na lang muna gumawa ng announcement para December 14 pala, baka nanalo tayo ng 14.
Di ba?
Anyway, water under the bridge na yan. Yun. So, for us, the two factors are scheduling of the leagues and a bigger reason behind the scheduling is yung stakeholder interest. Like,
Yes.
are the leagues interested? Are the schools
Pati yun nga,
interested?
important pa rin talaga yung higher
Uh,
being na
so, and also
magko-command.
uh, are the other stakeholders not directly involved interested yun nga, which is SBP or PSC or CHED
Kung
even kasi
sino
nga,
man
diba,
niya.
we're
Basta
talking about
meron dapat authority na mag-utos.
kung
Kasi kung
kailangan nila kung kailangan nila
tama
gumawa
ka,
ng
walang mag-adjust dyan.
mm, kung kailangan nila gumawa ng higher body, mag-apply na tayo.
Pwede. Pwede.
O kaya tayo na mismo
Pwede.
mag-push sa kanila. Kaso
Uy!
we have to
Gawin
be
nyo na
we have to
yan.
be kind. We have to be kind to everyone. Actually, ngayon, we're not kind to everyone except Lasal. Baka sinasabi ng mga tao,
Tama.
bias tayo. What do you expect? It's a Lasal podcast. Kung ayaw nyo
Yes.
ng bias, just go to a neutral
Oh,
podcast. You
maghanap
can
kayo ng
enjoy
iba.
your time there. Yeah. Baka ano lang, kasi nakikita ko yung mga comments minsan, parang sa Pinal, super biased din sa Lasal. I mean, we also hit
Una
out
po sa
our
lahat,
teams, ha?
hindi,
But we
hindi.
also hit out at our teams, and our players, discreetly. Pero syempre, di ba, it's a Lasol podcast. And that's our concern. Parang yun yung main concern aside from the league. But now, with the league not yet in full swing sa college, syempre, we talk about the structures. Because also, that's what the teams we're supporting are dealing with. So, the first looking at UAP, growing inside and out, and now looking at the national league setup, like the plausibility of such. So, tatanungin na lang kita, Vic, to really wrap up this discussion, which will be our Blue Fire Direction hot take of this episode. I'm gonna give you a 10-year timeline, maybe. Do you think something like a national competition for basketball and volleyball na lang? Basketball or volleyball at least one of those, if not both, do you think it will prosper? Given the current conditions, like walang magbabago. Just
Wala.
given how it's been.
Wala. I can't. Kasi it's
Mhm.
just, I think andun pa tayo sa ano na walang give in. Parang ano lagi yan eh, yung abala sa buhay ito, hindi ako mag-a-adjust.
Mhm. Tingin mo mas likely
So,
pa na
wala.
baka magkaroon na lang ng magkaroon na lang ng silent agreement na let's not have the national, pero let's try to invite more schools. Tingin mo mas mauuna yung lumaki yung UAP or NCA kaysa magkaroon ng national
Yes.
umbrella? Mas
Yeah.
likely talaga. Hindi naman sa
Mas
necessarily mauna.
possible na mas mauuna ang ano. Mas
Expansion.
possible na mas mauuna magkaroon ng additional team siguro than having a national tournament.
Ayan. I also see the same thing. Even if I want the other thing more. Kasi 'di ba, we have to be pragmatic here. Ang hirap talaga eh kung titingnan lang natin kasi ang dami nagwi-wish niyan. Even conversations among our friends, 'di ba? Meron mga nagsasabi, what if magsama na lang yung mga ganitong schools o kaya what if gawin nila emerge yung UAP NCAA, sobrang labo mangyari niyan.
Oh,
Alam
ano yan
natin.
eh.
Malabo
Pwedeng ano
talaga
yan.
mangyari.
Pwedeng ano yan at yung ano, pato promotion relegation.
Yun nga. Sasabihin nila. So dapat sa season
Ang
88,
tindi,
yung
no?
mabubuo,
Purgatorio yung isa.
pagka,
Purgatorio
pagka,
yung isang
oh,
liga.
pagka ganyan, season 88, dapat pala nangyari. At season 101, edi yung Ateneo babalik ng NC.
Sa
Tapos
NCAA, oh, babalik
yung
sila doon.
Mapua, makakasali sa
Aangat ng
UAP.
UAP. Hayop.
I mean, yun yung implication. Pwede rin naman sabihin, UP daw yung umangat. Tapos, sino ba nag-last?
Hindi, pati ano, Bri, ito yung maganda, di ba? Pag pababa ka ng NCAA, wala ka dapat FSA, di ba?
Oh.
Oh,
Wala.
tapos mag-aangat ka, pagka promoted ka, uy, kailangan natin ng foreigner.
So, pwede na i-loan. Pwede na mag-loan.
Oo, pwedeng
I-loan na daw
i-loan, no?
na
Pwede ka
makuha yung
mag-loan.
mga
Oo, pwede
FSA.
mag-loan.
Ayan,
Pira,
sobrang
di ba?
football specific ng term namin. So if you're following football, magigets niyo yung topic namin. But if
Oo.
not, ang essence lang nun is,
Andyan,
kung si
andyan po
Balogun,
si
eligible siya
ChatGPT
sa
para tulungan
NCAA.
kayo.
And then, saka i-explain ko na lang case to case ko na lang. Si Balogun, di pwede sa NCAA kasi bawal FSA. Di, sa Mapua daw muna siya or ibang FSA kung ayaw ng Mapua kay
Oo,
Balogun. Mga ganun.
tama.
Ganong situation. Yun ang context niyan. Ayan, so it's really a nice discussion while we wait for the volleyball and baseball events and all the collegiate events to resume. We got word that it will resume less than a month from now kasi ano 'di ba February 15 ang resumption ng second sem collegiate sports sa volleyball. So ayan, something people are really watching out. Keep an eye out on our upcoming episodes because we will gradually talk about men's and women's volleyball, especially leading up to the week before the start of the season. Ayan, so it's a nice discussion this time. It's really just assessing the trajectory of the league that Lasal is joining. Of course, syempre mahalaga sa atin yun how the health of the league is. Kasi syempre, as much as you are a healthy team, you're only as good as the league you're joining. Din.
Yes, correct.
So
Agree.
it's really nice to see Claret and Southridge join the UAB boys football, and we hope they can pick up a thing or two, and also for the UAP to pick up a thing or two so that mag-spread out yung participation, not just in the boys football but in other high school events, and maybe who knows, diba? In the collegiate events then na make gaps, something that we hope
Abangan
to
natin.
see prosper, but we can only just watch out for now. Something new, something to look forward to. And so that's it for tonight for us. Today, whenever you're listening, of course, that's the beauty of having a podcast. So
Yep.
thank you, Vic, for your time. Dalawa
Yes,
lang kami ngayon, but maybe in the coming episodes, you'll see more faces. Baka may mga nakakamiss sa iba eh. Lalo na kay Willie. Baka namimiss na. Scouting ata si Willie ngayon eh. Di ko
Oo,
alam
naghahanap
bakit
si
eh.
Buana Luwilier.
Naghahanap ata ng mga
na si Buana Luwilier.
ng mga potential lipat bahay guys. So,
Yes.
tingnan na lang natin kung may mauuwi siya.
Abangan.
Natin yan in the coming
Pag-uwi,
weeks.
may galing Secret Heart. Manay mo. Pag-uwi, may galing Secret Heart. Oo,
Ang
di
tanong,
ba?
ang tanong kung anong sport 'yan or kung anong talent
Oo,
remains
tama,
to be seen.
tama, tama. Anong talent level
Anyway,
yung dala? Tama, tama.
ayan. Ayan, so that's it for us, guys. Have a great week ahead. And yeah, thank you for watching. As we always say,
Animo Lasal!
animo.
Lasal.